you will see that there is a temple in different state also. If you will see in Gujarat, Bangalore, Karnataka, if you will see in Andhra Pradesh, if you will see in Maharashtra, there is Jagannath temple is there. Don't complain, don't hesitate against those people, those against other state. Why will go through against the Jagannath culture? We wish to people do the Jagannath, build the Jagannath temple in all places. Then it is our credit and it's Odisha people pride. Why will go against the Jagannath temple? But West Bengal people, though, who are going the growing the tourism sector, we are improving the tourism sector. Our government is focusing tourism sector and attract the tourism to Odisha. You see that we are not angry against the Jagannath temple, but that trend is going beyond Puri. And we boycott Puri and boycott Odisha. That angle, that message, we are against those message, where those trend. Why? Because this is the technically, if we see that they are opposing the Odisha government, and people technically say they are opposing the Odisha Asmita, Odisha people. Means it is a proud for the Odisha, the Jagannath. Jagannath is a Odisha pride, and Jagannath temple is a Odisha pride and that culture. For that, we are proud for the Odia Asmita. For that angle, they are opposing and boycott the Jagannath, boycott the Puri, boycott the Odisha. For that, we are against that message and that trend.